In this video, you will learn the art of relaxation using proven methods and tactics to ensure that you get into the most restful, relaxing state. Stress is the curse of living in modern times. Everyone nowadays seems to be suffering from stress. And the stress we suffer takes a heavy toll on our bodies, emotions, and minds. Feeling stressed out, worn out by fatigue, or just simply having a miserable day, the best thing to do in this case is to relax. Watching television may be a form of relaxation for some people, but it is not recommended by the experts. This is because when we watch TV, we are bombarded by commercials, ads, sounds, and images. So how do we achieve relaxation? If there are thousands of ways we can get stressed, one of them is not meeting deadlines, there are also many ways we can relax as well. In recent studies, experts have determined that the heart disease is linked to anger and irritability is linked to mental stress. Did you know that too much stress brings about ischemia, and this can lead to or cause a heart attack? Relaxation takes on added importance in light of this matter. Managing your anger and attitude is significant to heart health, and relaxation can help you manage stress as well. One way of relaxation is transcendental meditation. Recent studies have shown that this method might reduce artery blockage, which is a major cause for heart attack and stroke. People practice transcendental meditation by repeating, uttering soothing sounds while meditating, and this is to achieve total relaxation. The researchers found that practitioners of transcendental meditation significantly reduced the thickness of their artery wall compared to those who didn't practice transcendental meditation. Another study on another method of relaxation, acupuncture, seems to reduce high blood pressure by initiating several body functions for the brain to release chemical compounds known as endorphins. Endorphins help to relax the muscles, they ease the pain, they decrease the pain, and they help to reduce anxiety as well. Yoga is also another proven method for relaxation and also may have similar effects like acupuncture. In another study, participants were subjected to several minutes of mental stress. Then they were subjected to various relaxation techniques such as listening to nature sounds or classical music. Only those who did yoga significantly reduced the time it took for their blood pressures to go back to normal. Yoga is a form of progressive relaxation. Breathing is one of the easiest methods to relax. Breathing influences almost all aspects of us. It affects our mind, our mood, and our body. Simply focus on your breathing. After some time, you can feel its effects right away. There are several breathing techniques that can help you to reduce stress. Another way to achieve relaxation is through exercise. If you feel irritated, a simple half hour of exercise will often settle things down. Although exercise is a great way to lose weight, it doesn't show you how to manage stress appropriately. Exercise should also be used in conjunction with other exercise methods. One great way of relaxation is getting a massage. To gain full relaxation, you need to totally surrender to the handling and to the professional touch of a professional therapist, especially when you have tension in and around the neck and shoulder area. There are several types of massages that give different levels of relaxation. Another method of relaxation is biofeedback. The usual biofeedback training program includes a 10-hour session that is often spaced 1 week apart. Hypnosis is also another method, and it's a controversial method and a relaxation technique as well. It's also a good alternative for people who think they have no idea what it feels like to be relaxed. It's also a good alternative for people with stress-related health problems. Medicine are extreme alternatives to relaxation. They are sometimes considered not safe and they are not effective like other relaxation methods. Prescribing medications only to be used and given by trained medical professionals on their patients after a proper examination and diagnosis. These relaxation techniques are just some of the ways you can achieve relaxation. Another reason why we need to relax, aside from lowering blood pressure in people and decreasing the chances of a stroke or a heart attack, is because stress produces hormones that suppress the immune system, and relaxation gives the immune system time to recover, and in doing so, it functions much more effectively. Relaxation lowers the activities within the brain's limbic system, and this is the emotional center of our brain. Furthermore, the brain has a periodic need for a more pronounced activity on the right hemisphere. Relaxation is one way of achieving this. Relaxation can really be of good use once the relaxation technique is regularly built into your lifestyle. So what do you need to do to get started? Well, basically choose a technique out of the ones that we've talked about in this video that you feel comfortable with and that you believe will help you, and make sure to be consistent and put it in with your routine and do it regularly. We've come towards the end of our video. If you've enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. We would love to